Welcome to Global Trade Lines. If you are new to importing goods into Australia, then calculating import duties can be confusing and overwhelming. In this video, we have simplified the import duties and import GST calculations. Make sure you watch this video till the end without skipping. The first step for your calculations is going to be the currency conversion. Most probably your invoices are going to be in US dollars. It is mandatory for you to convert all the amounts into Australian dollars before you calculate any taxes. The conversion rate for the Australian dollar is defined by the Government of Australia. Jump over to our website, the link is in the description of this video. Scroll down and you will see this exchange rates link. In this field, search for rates of exchange. Make sure the spelling is correct. And change the Show Results filter to Date First Registered. The exchange rates are updated by the government on a regular basis. Make sure you open the latest update. The date of release is always mentioned here. You will find the list of all major currencies in comparison with the Australian dollar here. This is the price of one Australian dollar with respect to the given currency. You can also download this data in the form of a PDF or doc file. If you are a client of Global Trade Lines, then you do not need to worry about this currency conversion step, as we invoice our Australian clients in Australian dollars only. If you want us to do the sourcing for you, then you can book a call with us, and we can discuss how we can help you save money and procure higher quality products. So far so good. If the FOB value of your goods is less than $1,000, then you do not need to pay any import taxes. The calculations which I am going to discuss later in this video are only applicable to the order value of above $1,000. Another thing you need to do is to check if the country of origin of goods has any free trade agreement with Australia. If so, you can import goods from there without any customs duty. I would advise you to do proper research on your product and its country of origin, as some countries have a limited category of products that are tax exempted from Australia. You can ask if the tax is applicable or not with your customs agent prior to importation. Now let's look at the two types of taxes that are needed to be paid before you can take your products out of the Australian customs. The first one is the import duty. This tax is charged at a standard rate of 5% of the value of the order. The second is the GST. The Goods and Services Tax is a type of sales tax, and it is charged at 10% of the total value of the order. The total value of the order is defined as the summation of all the costs listed on your screen. Now let's do a sample calculation. Assuming the cost of products to be $5,000, the cost of insurance to be $600, cost of freight to be $1,200. So at 5%, the import duty turns out to be $250, and the total value adds up to be $7,050. Now the GST will be calculated over the new total value of $7,050, and not on the value of goods, which is $5,000. As per 10%, the GST is $705. That's how you can manually calculate the two types of taxes. For you, we have created an Australian import duty and GST calculator. You just need to enter the values, and it will automatically do the calculations for you. If you need any help, you can email us at the email address given on your screen, or you can send us a WhatsApp message. We deal in a wide variety of product categories, and we can help you procure any type of product from India. Shoot me a WhatsApp message, and we can discuss over a call. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.